Hi, my name is Josh Ferris. I'm applying to the Systems Business Analyst position here via Couchsurfing Job Chat Roulette that you have going on, except that I can't see you and you can see me. And I just wanted to let you know why I'm really interested in this job and why I think I would be a good fit. And so right now, well, I am a Couchsurfing user, and I've surfed from Portland to Rio, and I've met a lot of great people and hung out with a lot of other couch surfers. And you can see I have a couch back here, but the roommate I have is sort of, iffy on the hosting at the moment. So anyway, next place I have couches are open. I mean, this position really excites me. I'm currently finishing up graduate school, and I've studied a lot of program management and systems evaluation, program evaluation, quantitative and qualitative survey, data collection methods, specifically econometrics, optimization methodologies, forecasting. But all of that jargon aside, what I'm really interested in is taking something that's great in the world and just trying to figure out how to make it a little more efficient and how to make it work better for people. Right? My school, I go to Carnegie Mellon University, as you can see while you're looking at my resume, that produces great things and really smart people, and it's an honor for me to go to a school like that. But the reality of it is, I don't want to work for a consulting company or somebody that does something not that interesting. And here I am checking my email as I'm job hunting, and I see this great couch surfing position that says, we need somebody who can manage a project, who can organize a project, who can work with a team to get from A to B. And at that same time, while you're trying to get to A to B, you also need to make sure the project goes to C, D, E, and F at the same time. And eventually, all of that has to end at Z. And when I saw that, I was really, really interested. So my degree, as you can see, is in public policy and management science, and it's very interesting. And we do a lot of technical things, though not specifically computer science related, for the description of this position. However, I think I still would be sort of an interesting fit. That being said, my professional career after I left school, my undergraduate career in 2004, I was an IT director where first I started out as the database developer and was writing queries because nobody else knew what that was, and basically rose through the ranks to become the director of a labor union's first IT program. And it was really exciting, and we had such a nice time. And I made something really exciting. But I knew at the end of the day, what I wanted to do was not be the IT guy. It was key for me to always understand what the IT guy does, or but those aren't the decisions I want to make. I want to be able to take a project and work with a group of people and say, how do we make this happen? So I'm very comfortable working in technical environments and techno-lingo and jargon, and truthfully, I think I have a strength in taking it from techno-babble to, hey, this is what normal people need to hear about so that they can make the smartest, best decisions for everybody in the organization. So I have a Bachelor of Arts, actually, in History and Religious Studies, and then, like I said, I went on to be a very technical IT professionally trained person in my next career. And then after that, I took sort of a break, and I took 2 years and traveled South America, where I actually spent a good portion of the time being an elementary school teacher of technology, which is very fun. So though English is my first language, as you may have guessed, I am fluent in Spanish, so puedo hablar. And that's really great. And I worked with the technical staff there, and I learned a lot of things. And let me tell you, there's really nothing like learning about technical things in a second language. It's much tougher than anybody can ever imagine. And so I went from there, and then I came back to school because I said, okay, I don't want to be management. I don't want to do I don't want to just be some boring policy wonk, though, you know, I do find it very interesting. I want to work to do something exciting and something interesting, and you know, it's like, lo and behold, I love couch surfing, and then all of you send me an email and about these positions that are open. I have, like I said, the systems business analyst position I'm really intrigued by, and that is what I am submitting my application for. However, you do have a quantitative research analyst position open, and that's actually what my sort of student employment has been this past year, working with quant and qualitative research methods, specifically on a project, sort of researching and putting together different reports for a communication staff at our school. So that's who I am. I think I would be a nice fit because I love couch surfing, I love traveling, and I'm really just looking for a project that we can, you know, take from what is clearly like a grade A project that is couch surfing to an A+. And I would just love to be a part of that, and I would love to work with all of you and give you my inputs and really just help put together a team that can both work with staff, but stakeholders, and you know, from everybody from, you know, investors and donors to just the greater couch surfing community. I mean, we really do want to engage all of us to figure out what makes our community great and how do we take that greatness and able to turn it up one more notch. And I think I would just be a really nice fit. I would love to talk to all of you about this further. I'm graduating in the first week of May, and right now I'm in Pittsburgh, and I am looking to go anywhere, really, you know. I mean, I do like the East Coast, but of course the West is always nice. You guys have wonderful weather out there, and, you know, nice attitudes and all of that. So, I mean, it's very good. Thank you for taking the time to hear me out. My name is Josh Ferris, and you can shoot me an email at Joshua Ferris, JOSHUAFERRIS, at cmu.edu, or I've attached my personal Gmail as well to this application. Thanks, and have a great day.